Our trading journal is one of the most effective tools for performance management. It is where you record and review daily trades for better output and for future reference. Our trading journal can help you to keep track of your success as well as study mistakes made when entering or exiting a trade. At the end of the day, these reports can act as the foundation for better executions. At FundedNext, we want to help traders to craft and test their own strategy and be consistently profitable in the long run. This is why we are providing traders at FundedNext with a unique journal to assist them with their trading journey. Today, I'll show you how you can use the FundedNext trading journal. Now, this customized trading journal is only for subscribed FundedNext traders only. Along with different other tools, our subscribed traders can download this journal directly from their client dashboard. But we're planning to give this trading journal to the first 20 people for free. To get this, all you need to do is like this video, drop a comment below and share it in your Facebook profile. It's that simple. Now let's see how this trading journal works. I have already downloaded the file and have opened it, as you can see. Now go to the Trade Data tab at the bottom. Here you will see different columns where you will be able to record your full trading history. To start, first input the initial account balance on the top. Let's say I have started with a $25,000 account. Once you do that, you will see your current balance will become $25,000 as well as the account balance in the trade result column. Now let's post an entry. Let's say I have taken a Euro USD buy on 25th February 2022 at 2:50 p.m. So I will put the time and date first. Then I will write the Euro USD under pair. Then, as it was a buy trade, I will select long from the drop down. Then let's say the trade was taken at 0.5 lot size. Now it will type the entry price, which was 1.1250. This covers up the basic trade journal. Now let's input the trade management part. So first comes the stop loss. Let's say the stop loss was 1.1230 and the take profit was 1.1295. When I input the take profit, you can see the sheet will automatically adjust the planned risk to reward ratio, which was 2.25, for this case. In the starting, I was expecting to gain 2.25 RR from this trade. But as you know, the market doesn't move the way you expected. So I had to close the trade early. I closed my trade at 1.1285. So I'll put my exit price at 1.1285. When I put the exit price, you will see that the actual risk to reward ratio has been automatically updated. You will notice that the gray area in the sheet will show results automatically once you have typed in the required data. So now you will see that the actual RR that I got from the trade was 1.75. Now I'll put the exit time and date, which was 25th February 2022 on 9:59 a.m. And when I type this, you will see the gray area on the duration tab has been automatically updated. This shows how much time the trade was held. Now let's input the profit or loss that I have made from the trade. I have made a $225 profit from that trade. Once I have put the input, you will see that the account change percentage and my current account balance will also be updated. As you can see, My current account change was 0.90% and my current account balance is $25,225. We'll also see the updates on top under close profit and loss and current balance. You can then also see that on the right side you can have your own trade recap. Some of you may follow TradingView and some of you may follow MT4. No worries though, whichever you follow, you can save a trade. You can save a before taking the trade screenshot and then after closing the trade screenshot. You can easily compare how you have predicted and how the market actually moved. In the next tab, you can also input if you have made any mistake that you want to remember later on. And on the setup tab, you can write down what type of setup you were going with that trade. For example, smart money, trend line, price action, wake off, etc. Now let's put some more entries. Give me a second. Here, as you can see, I have taken 4 trades so far. The second trade was on EUR/JPY and it was a buy also. I have taken 0.5 lot for the trade and the market was in my favor. I hit take profit. So here, as you can see, my TP and exit prices both are the same as well as my planned RR and the actual RR. I have made $130.69 from this trade. Similarly, I took one gold trade on the 24th and another on the 25th. The market was volatile for the first one and I hit stop loss. I have lost $80 for this trade, but I held on and on the second trade the market was in my favor and I made a swift recovery with a $135 profit. Now from these 4 trades, let's check what my overall summary looks like. So from the first table, as you can see, I took 4 trades, won 3 and lost 1, and no trade was in break even. So my win ratio is 75%. Now from my winning trades, I gain an average of $163 per trade and I have lost an average of $80 from my losing trades. My largest winning trade got me $225 and my largest losing trade lost me $80. So my total profit by loss is $410.69 and the average profit by loss per trade is 102.67, which takes me return on investment to 1.64%. So this is how you can use Trading Journal, organize your everyday trades and formulate your very own profitable strategy.